Feeling stiff? Need a quick energy boost before tackling the day? If that's a yes, you're in the right place. This 5-minute energizing hip and spine flexibility routine is exactly what you need to loosen tight hips, wake up your spine, and get your body moving effortlessly. No equipment needed, just your body and the floor. Perfect for all levels, whether you're a beginner or advanced. And you can do this anywhere. Your bedroom, living room, the gym, or even outdoors, as long as it's warm enough. The last thing you want to do is stretch in the cold. This routine is designed to unlock flexibility in your spine, hips, and core to help you move better, stand taller, and feel refreshed. Most people would skip this, but you're here prioritizing your health. And I promise, by the end of this routine, you'll feel more open, mobile, and ready to take on the day. Let's start with the full body stretch that lengthens the spine, opens the shoulders, and stretches the hamstrings. Start on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Tuck your toes and lift your hips toward the sky, straightening your legs. Press your heels toward the floor. It's okay if they don't touch. Spread your fingers wide and press firmly into the mat, keeping your chest open. Hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply. This pose decompresses the spine, improves circulation, and stretches the entire back body from the calves to the shoulders. Beginners, bend your knees slightly for a gentler stretch. Advanced stretches, paddle your feet to deepen the hamstring stretch. Now that we've stretched the back and hamstrings, let's flow into child's pose into cobra for spinal mobility. A fluid movement to mobilize the spine, open the chest, and stretch the lower back. Start in child's pose, knees wide, arms stretched forward, forehead resting on the mat. Inhale as you shift forward into cobra pose, lowering your hips and lifting your chest. Press into your palms and arch your back slightly, feeling a stretch in the abdomen. Exhale, push back into child's pose and repeat for 1 minute in a slow, controlled flow. The spinal wave movement improves flexibility, lubricates the joints, and relieves tension in the lower back. Beginners, keep your elbows on the mat in cobra for less strain. Advanced stretches, lift your thighs slightly for a deeper stretch in cobra. Your spine should feel loose now, so let's move into the next stretch to open the hips and shoulders. Can you take a guess what it is? We're going to perform a deep twist to increase hip flexibility and improve spinal rotation. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge position with your back knee down. Place your left hand on the ground and twist your torso to the right, reaching your right arm toward the sky. Keep your chest open and your gaze toward your fingertips. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This move stretches the hip flexors, strengthens the core, and improves spinal mobility, making it perfect for resetting your posture. Beginners, keep your hand on your knee instead of reaching up. Advanced stretches, lift the back knee off the ground for an extra balance challenge. Now that we've unlocked the hips and spine, it's time to fire up the glutes with fire hydrants. A dynamic movement to activate the glutes and improve hip mobility. Start on all fours in a tabletop position, keeping your knee bent at 90 degrees. Lift your right leg out to the side as high as comfortable. Lower back down with control and repeat for 30 seconds. Switch sides and repeat for another 30 seconds. This movement fires up the glute muscles, strengthens the hips, and improves lower body stability. Beginners, perform smaller, slower lifts. Advanced stretches, add a resistance band for extra challenge. Now that we've activated the glutes, let's finish with kneeling side angle stretch to lengthen the obliques and open the side body. A deep side body stretch that lengthens the obliques and improves spinal mobility. Kneel on your mat with your right leg extended out to the side. Reach your right arm overhead, creating a long stretch along your side. Lean to the left. Keep your core engaged and chest lifted. Gently swing your arm for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This move stretches obliques, improves posture, and increases flexibility in the ribs and shoulders. Beginners, keep your hand on your hip instead of reaching overhead. Advanced stretches, extend your bottom arm toward the floor for a deeper stretch. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.